Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to show you my new Cypripediums that I got. I got a small Cypripedium formosanum and a small Cypripedium acaule, I think it's called. And this one just happens to be in bloom, so I wanted to show it to you. It's different than my normal Cypripediums that I have with the pouch. It's the pouch is sort of in the middle there. Very pretty though. Very beautiful in the sunshine too. So this grows similar to all the other slipper orchids. It's going to bloom in the early to mid-spring, late spring I guess in this case, and then die back for the summertime and slowly brown out, go dormant in the fall. Then it's going to need to be overwintered outside. It is a temperate species, so it likes to get near freezing at least, if not below freezing. And then next spring, hopefully this will become two, and I will have two blooms on this one. So this one again is called Cypripedium acaule. It's very common in the North American range, in Canada and the United States, although not here in the West at all. We don't have many slipper orchids in the West. I think we're just generally too wet. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful plant. A little bit different foliage. And this one again, this is my Cypripedium formosanum. And it's nice too. It is from Japan. Going to be very nice. I'm looking forward to blooming this. So anyways, that is just a very quick update on my new Cypripedium orchids. I hope you like this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. As always, thanks for watching.